Project blockers are anything or anyone that prevents you from moving on with your task. Your task in a project is always one of several tasks that together make up the entire project and are planned to bring it to its delivery date on time. If your individual task is delayed, it can have a domino effect that might jeopardize the entire project and cause it to be late. Let's take, for example, an airport. Sometimes everything is on time, but it can be enough for one flight to be delayed to suddenly disrupt the departure time of several other flights. This one flight that caused the delay of the entire schedule is referred to as a blocker. A blocker refers to a situation or issue that is delaying or preventing a project's progress and therefore needs attention from one or more of the project's stakeholders in order to proceed. A project blocker might take 5 minutes or 5 days to solve, but not dealing with it on time will eventually affect other tasks. The only way to deal with project blockers is to solve them as soon as they arise. Failing to make an on-time management decision now can result in a few days of delays to the whole project. To ensure that decisions are made on time, daily and weekly progress meetings are planned, and transparency and the raising of flags on time are a must. All this will help us to achieve a faster, more flexible VAS.